Adding currency to your Revolut account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, open the Revolut app and navigate to the Accounts tab, where you will see a list of all your existing accounts. Click on the account you wish to add currency to and select the Add Money option. Next, choose the currency you want to add from the list of available currencies, which includes over 29 fiat currencies. You can add money using a debit or credit card, or via bank transfer. If you choose to use a card, enter the card details and the amount you want to add, then confirm the transaction. If you prefer to use a bank transfer, you will need to provide the recipient name, which is Revolut, and the recipient address, as well as the bank account details, including the account number and sort code. You will also need to include the reference number provided by Revolut to ensure the transaction is processed correctly. Once you have added the currency, you can use it to make payments, send money to friends, or exchange it into another currency. It is essential to note that Revolut uses the interbank exchange rate, which is the rate at which banks exchange currencies with each other, and does not charge any fees for exchanging currencies. To get the best value when adding currency, make sure to check the current exchange rate before making a transaction. You can do this by using the exchange rate calculator in the Revolut app, which provides real-time rates and allows you to compare rates across different currencies. Another best practice is to set up a budget and track your expenses using the Revolut app. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. You can also set up alerts to notify you when a transaction is made or when your balance falls below a certain amount. In addition, Revolut offers a vault feature, which allows you to set aside a portion of your balance and earn interest on it. This can be a great way to save money and earn some extra cash. Overall, adding currency to your Revolut account is a simple and convenient process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these best practices and using the features available in the Revolut app, you can get the most out of your account and manage your finances effectively.